रोज बोले जाने वाले वाक्य। डेली यूज सेंटेंसेस। डेली यूज सेंटेंसेस। ऐसे शब्द खोजे जिनमें 5 अक्षर हो। फाइंड वर्ड्स विच हैव 5 लेटर्स। फाइंड वर्ड्स विच हैव 5 लेटर्स। इस दौरान कछुआ एक बार भी नहीं रुका। All this while, the tortoise didn't stop even once. All this while, the tortoise didn't stop even once. आपस में कानाफूसी मत करो। Don't whisper among yourselves. Don't whisper among yourselves. गार्ड के पास एक नई चमकदार सीटी थी। The guard had a new shiny whistle. The guard had a new shiny whistle. कुत्ते ने अपने मालिक की सीटी सुनी। The dog heard his master's whistle. The dog heard his master's whistle. क्या आप सीटी बजा सकते हैं? Can you whistle? Can you whistle? कौन सा चौकीदार सफेद दीवार पर इंतजार कर रहा है? Which watchman waits at the white wall? Which watchman waits at the white wall? पीछे कौन बात कर रहा है? Who is talking at the back? Who is talking at the back? उनकी मदद किसने की? Who helped them? Who helped them? अब मुझे पता है कि जूते कौन बनाता है। Now I know who makes the shoes. Now I know who makes the shoes. उसने पूरी रात पढ़ाई की। He studied the whole night. He studied the whole night. यह पुस्तक किसकी है? Whose book is this? Whose book is this? तुम्हें देरी क्यों हुई? Why are you late? Why are you late? राजकुमार ने दुष्ट दानव को मार डाला। The prince killed the wicked giant. The prince killed the wicked giant. उन्होंने 3 विकेट लिए। He took 3 wickets. He took 3 wickets. कितने विकेट बचे हैं? How many wickets are left? How many wickets are left? शहर में चौड़ी सड़कें होती हैं। There are wide roads in a city. There are wide roads in a city. कमरा 10 फुट चौड़ा है। The room is 10 feet wide. The room is 10 feet wide. दरवाजा खुला हुआ था। The door was wide open. The door was wide open. उसकी पत्नी सारा दिन काम करती थी। His wife worked all day. His wife worked all day. यह एक जंगली पौधा है। This is a wild plant. This is a wild plant. हम एक नई गुड़िया खरीदेंगे। We will buy a new doll. We will buy a new doll. मुझे आपको एक रहस्य बताना है। I will tell you a secret. I will tell you a secret. क्या आप मुझे अपनी किताब दिखाएंगे? Will you show me your book? Will you show me your book? मैं तुम्हें अपना आधा राज्य दूंगा। I will give you half of my kingdom. I will give you half of my kingdom. दौड़ किसने जीती? Who won the race? Who won the race? पर्दा हवा के साथ उड़ गया। The curtain flew with the wind. The curtain flew with the wind. उसने पेंसिल के चारों ओर धागा लपेटा। She wound the thread around the pencil. She wound the thread around the pencil. खिड़की खोलो। Open the window. Open the window. पक्षियों के पंख होते हैं। Birds have wings. Birds have wings. सभी विजेताओं को पुरस्कार मिलेगा। All the winners will get a prize. All the winners will get a prize. हम सर्दियों में गर्म कपड़ों का उपयोग करते हैं। We use warm clothes in winter. We use warm clothes in winter. अपने आप को तौलिए से पोंछें। Wipe yourself with a towel. Wipe yourself with a towel. तार को मत छुओ। Don't touch the wire. Don't touch the wire. राजा ने बुद्धिमान व्यक्ति को प्रणाम किया। The king bowed to the wise man. The king bowed to the wise man. आप क्या चाहते हैं? What is your wish? What is your wish? काश मैं एक पक्षी होता। I wish I was a bird. I wish I was a bird. हम सभी उसे जन्मदिन की शुभकामनाएं देंगे। We will all wish her a happy birthday. We will all wish her a happy birthday. मैंने 8 पैरों वाला एक जानवर देखा। I saw an animal with 8 legs. I saw an animal with 8 legs. वह एक बड़ा घर चाहती है जिसमें बगीचा भी हो। She wants a big house with a garden. She wants a big house with a garden. चूहा टोपी लेकर भाग गया। The mouse ran away with the cap. The mouse ran away with the cap. मैं अपनी बहन के साथ स्कूल जाता हूँ। I go to school with my sister. I go to school with my sister. अपने भाई से मत लड़ो। Don't fight with your brother. Don't fight with your brother. अध्यापक हमसे नाराज थे। The teacher was angry with us. The teacher was angry with us. उसने चम्मच से चावल खाया। She ate the rice with a spoon. She ate the rice with a spoon. हम अपनी आंखों से देखते हैं। We see with our eyes. We see with our eyes. आपका क्या मामला है? What's the matter with you? What's the matter with you? वो डर से सफेद हो गया था। He was white with fear. He was white with fear. वे मेरे बिना ही चले गए। They went without me. They went without me. वह बिना टिकट यात्रा कर रहा था। He was traveling without a ticket. He was traveling without a ticket. भेड़िया एक बड़े कुत्ते जैसा दिखता है, लेकिन यह एक जंगली जानवर है. A wolf looks like a big dog, but it is a wild animal. A wolf looks like a big dog, but it is a wild animal. खेत में कई महिलाएं काम कर रही थीं. There were many women working in the field. There were many women working in the field. मुझे आश्चर्य है कि तुम क्या हो. How I wonder what you are. How I wonder what you are. यह एक अद्भुत नाटक था. It was a wonderful play. It was a wonderful play. 1 घंटे तक वह आश्चर्य में बैठी रही. An hour she sat in wonderment. An hour she sat in wonderment. मैं नहीं उठूंगा. I won't get up. I won't get up. हम लकड़ी से कई चीजें बनाते हैं. We make many things from wood. We make many things from wood. बिल्ली के बच्चे ऊन की गेंद के साथ खेल रहे थे. The kittens were playing with a ball of wool. The kittens were playing with a ball of wool. यह एक ऊनी टोपी है. It's a woolen cap. It's a woolen cap. इन शब्दों के अर्थ का अनुमान लगाइए. Guess the meaning of these words. Guess the meaning of these words. मैं अपना काम खत्म करूंगा और फिर जलेबी खाऊंगा. I will finish my work and then eat the jalebis. I will finish my work and then eat the jalebis. मेरे पिता एक कारखाने में काम करते हैं. My father works in a factory. My father works in a factory. मैं दुनिया भर में यात्रा करना चाहता हूँ. I would like to travel around the world. I would like to travel around the world. चिंता मत करो. Don't worry. Don't worry. दानव तो बुरा था ही, लेकिन उसका भाई उससे भी बुरा था. The giant was bad, but his brother was worse. The giant was bad, but his brother was worse. सबसे बुरी बात यह थी कि मेरी ट्रेन छूट गई. The worst thing was that I missed the train. The worst thing was that I missed the train. वह उन पुस्तकों का मूल्य समझ गया. He understood the worth of those books. He understood the worth of those books. क्या वह भरोसे के लायक है? Is he worthy of trust? Is he worthy of trust? उसने कहा कि वह जाएगा. He said he would go. He said he would go. क्या आप मुझे अपनी साइकिल उधार देंगे? Would you lend me your cycle, please? Would you lend me your cycle, please? क्या आप चाय लेंगे? Would you like some tea? Would you like some tea? क्या आप गाना गाना चाहेंगे? Would you like to sing a song? Would you like to sing a song? उसने शेर के घाव पर पट्टी बांधी. He put a bandage on the lion's wound. He put a bandage on the lion's wound. उसने बिल्ली के बच्चे को मुलायम कपड़े में लपेटा. She wrapped the kitten in soft cloth. She wrapped the kitten in soft cloth. उसने उसकी कलाई पर राखी बांधी. She tied a राखी on his wrist. She tied a राखी on his wrist. अपनी स्लेट पर अपना नाम लिखें. Write your name on your slate. Write your name on your slate. क्या यह उत्तर सही है या गलत? Is this answer right or wrong? Is this answer right or wrong? क्या गलत? What's wrong? What's wrong?